Hey guys, I hope you're all doing well. Welcome to another video. For today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix code 130 Truist Bank. It's not something difficult. I'm going to share with you right now what you exactly need to do in that case. Okay, so I'm going to go to my phone right now, and I just noted the steps that you need to do right now. So what you need to do, like the only way to fix that problem, which is contact customer support to understand the transaction issue. So you need to verify transaction details for account balances and transaction limits, and also retry the transaction after ensuring sufficient funds and compliance with account restrictions. If issues like persist, escalate within the bank, document all communication, and consider seeking professional assistance if needed. So I try to give you exactly what you need, so you will not become lost anymore. Okay, so go directly contact the customer support, and they're gonna help you fix that problem. And this was the video, guys. I hope it was useful to you. If it was, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.